Hey, it's Marissa here. Today we're going to be drawing Stitch doing a handstand. The first step we're going to take is to draw his arm. So let's start by making a curve around and in. That'll be his arm. Now let's continue that arm by going around and in like this, and then take that line, bring it down and in. Now let's make a foot down here. We're going to go around, bring it over here and in. Let's make his little claws. We're gonna make a curve around and in, and then his claws come out from here. So here's one, bring it in, two, bring it in, and then three. There we go. I'm gonna draw his head. So since he's doing a handstand, his head's down here. Let's do a line around and in like this. His little hair goes around like that. And then bring another one right here. And then from that point, continue making his head go around and in like this. There we go. I'm going to make one more hairline here just to finish it off. There. Now let's start kind of up here with his next leg, and then I'm gonna bring it down like this, and it's just gonna go around his face and then down to where this line is. So I kind of made it the same height, and then we're gonna make his leg. His leg's gonna go out and around and up like that. Now let's make another line over here and then one more. That'll be his little feet. Let's make those claws. So just go down and in. Same thing, go down and in, and then down and in. Make it a little smaller as it travels to the back. Now let's make his ears. One ear is going to come over here, start at the middle of the leg, and then go around and out like that. And then we're going to curve it down and back in like this. There we go. Now over here is our other ear. Let's start kind of at the same height that you put that one. So I'm going to start it back here and then go down and out like this. And then we're going to curve it around, up and in. Let me make this line a little thicker. There we go. Perfect. It's starting to look like an upside down Stitch. We're going to make his head, finish it off over here by going up and in like that. And then we're going to go and make a line that goes kind of across and over here. That line doesn't have to be perfect because that's like the bottom of his mouth. Make a curved line upside down like that. And then from here, I'm going to make his arm extend out just a bit so that I can make a line here. Let's continue his body. I'm going to start right here and then make his body go up, up, in a bit and out like that. The rest of his body over here is going to go this way. So make it go out and up this way. Make that line a little thicker. There we go. Now let's continue over here. I'm going to make my line just a little taller, about right there, so I can make my leg. My leg's going to go out and over like this. Now once you have that, come in here and go around like that, and then keep making these little round marks that go all the way across like that. And then finish off your line if it's not connected. We're going to make a circle that goes up and around like that. Let's continue making a circle in the middle. Here's a circle. Looks good. we're going to make his little claw marks in the middle of each of these bumps. So it's just going to be a circle right here, and then another circle here. Let's make one more right here. There we go. Now let's continue his leg. It's going to go down and up. There we go. He's upside down. Now over here, his foot's going to be hanging up here. So let's continue his body line going up, up, up like this. And then we're going to make a curve around and up. Let's make his foot kind of the same pattern as this, where it was little bumps, but over here. So I'm going to make little bumps that go around. Kind of looks like a flower. And then finish it off like this. Kind of does look like a flower. So let's make a circle in the middle of each of these, just like we did here. I'll make one right here, and then I'll make one right here and right here. Looks good. Now over here, let's finish connecting these lines together with his foot. So connect the line to that one, and then we're going to draw a line down and in like this. Now over here is his little tail. So let's bring a line that goes around and in like that, and then make that little floof of a tail going around. I'm going to make a little line connecting it. There we go. Perfect. Now over here, his little body has hair. So I'm going to make some hair going up. It's just little zigzag marks like this. Over here is his face. So let's start with his nose. Actually, I'm going to start with his eye because his nose is super huge. So let's do his eye. His eyes are huge too. But I'm going to go around like this, and then we're going to bring it back in like that. Over here, his other eye is starting at his leg again, or his hand. And then we're going to go up and in, and then we'll bring it around to connect to the leg. There we go. For his eye at the top, make a big curve like this, and then make another big curve around here. And then you'll leave these white and then color the rest in black. Let's do his nose now. So his nose goes right in between his eyes, and it's a really big circle. So let's make that circle go around, around, around. Circle it around. It's a circle. Now let's put a line to the bottom of his face like that, connect it. We're going to make some eyebrows up here. They're just half circles. Here's one, here's two, and then over here, make a line here and a line there. Looks great. Okay, he's upside down. Let's color him in now. Here's Stitch doing a handstand. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with a friend who also likes Stitch, and I will see you next time if you subscribed. Bye!